To-do list: play Minecraft, hang with the boys, go to the doctor to check. Go to the doctor to check if I have a
Yeah,
hernia.
I don't even know
Oh,
what
it's
that
like a
is.
thing in your throat.
Oh, well, I have I don't know what I have. I have
Hernia. You
nothing.
probably have a
No,
hernia.
no, I
So you're
have
poor,
nothing.
and you have nothing to lose, and
Yeah.
you're saying you have mental issues, and you're gonna kill people.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Xander, should we move out of the country?
What? What did he say?
No.
He's saying he's gonna
No, don't
sue
listen to him,
us.
Xander. Don't listen, Xander. Don't listen to him. He's saying lies. That creeper just blew up his friend. This is
What?
like I'm gonna
See?
do.
Just
What did I say?
I don't
Nothing.
know. You said something. You just need to.
I always have something to talk about.
I just gotta
Right.
shut up.
No.
I said it once and I'll say it again. Karate, Quinten. Shut up!
Karate, Quinten.
I don't speak Mexican.
What? Sorry, I don't speak American.
I
I don't.
speak
Whoa.
Sorry, guys.
Mexican.
Sorry, guys. I don't. Sorry, guys. I don't speak Arizona. Sorry, guys. I don't speak New York.
No. Yeah.
Oh,
That's
What
bad.
about it? I'm glad I muted myself. Good thing I didn't. I want everyone to hear
yeah.
my pain. Because
Yeah.
there's a lot of it. I mean, you hear this? Like, goddamn.
I mean, yeah. I'm recording right now too. So.
Okay.
Oh,
You
yeah!
are.
I forgot he was recording.
Quinten's breathing is like all unsteady.
I remember that video called when he just like
Dude, your
he just
mic.
starts speaking Japanese.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Your mic cut out when you said it.
Yeah, they remember the Tyler One being Tyler One video. Here, you're gonna get it.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember
Well, that's just
anything.
because
No, it's because I have brain damage.
The thumbnail.
Yeah, go.
Yo, Elliot, you should just send memes for my video to witness because it won't let me do Skywars. Just send a lot of memes.
you see, after he steps his foot, he says something in like Japanese.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo.
I genuinely don't believe Quentin.
Wait.
Why do you think? Why do you think?
Quinten, wait, hold on.
I can't think anymore.
This
Elliot.
only
What
happened
do
after
you think I
Quinten.
can? Do you think I can?
He got hit. Wait, he got hiccups after eating his mom's food. His mom poisoned it with hiccups.
Man, what was in that chicken noodle soup?
Hiccup soup.
Oh yeah,
What
what was
was in that
soup?
soup? But I got soup cyanide.
Yeah, if you got cyanide, you'd be dead.
I got soup
Yeah, if you
poisoned.
got soup poisoned, you'd be in the ER.
And
I
then
mean,
get.
I don't know that
Alright.
I'm poisoned. I wouldn't even
If
be
you
in the
were
ER.
poisoned, you would know it. It's like knowing if you broke a bone or not.
Well, I might have broken a bone. I wouldn't know.
Oh my god. It seems that the hiccups have made him dumber too.
I know he's
It's
just
not possible.
He's so dumb. Like I may
Oh,
be dumb,
possible.
but
Okay, then what is 5 plus 8? What is 5? Wait. If it's not possible, what's 5 plus 8? D? Well, Quinten, what is it? He's going to a calculator.
Hold on.
He's gonna say
plus
2.
equals. Okay, it equals
40.
How much does
Where did you get a 40 from?
I put 5 and 8 together and it's at 40.
No. Did you do times? Did you do the X looking thing? You gotta do the
Which
plus.
It's
No.
times, isn't it? That like. Oh, I did it times. Okay, hold on. Never mind. I gotta do addition.
You're gonna be like,
5
the answer is A.
8 is.
The answer is the answer is
I got
Applebee's Bar and Grill menu.
No, guys, I found the answer. It's 0. It's a weird answer. 0.625. I don't.
Oh my god.
Bro, he just starts speaking pie. It's like the answer is 3.14159265535589793.
I have
Okay, Quinten.
no idea where I
The
am
most
right
important question.
now.
What is 6 9
Oh, I
plus?
found diamonds!
Wait. What's 6 9 plus 420? We need you to answer this.
Just cut out.
His mic cut out. What did you say your mic cut
Yeah,
out?
what's the question?
69 plus 420.
And now he's just not
Yeah,
talking.
he's just silent.
69 plus
Oh,
420. Yeah, that.
6
it?
or 509.
69.
Wait, no.
No!
89.
Oh, wait, yes.
Yeah.
No, wait, Quinten. What is A plus B square?
C.
You're not supposed to answer for me.
I don't actually know what it is.
Yeah,
It's C square.
It's C square. How could there be a shape in the
Why is
ABC?
Why is there a shape in my ABC?
Quinten,
Mom, did you
what?
put square in my ABC soup again?
Yeah.
Yo, Quinten, what is
That is a horde of zombies. That is 15 zombies. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count. There's so many.
And ever since I found diamonds, I've been acting
1,
not
2,
stupid,
3,
or as
4,
stupid.
5, 6, 7,
Quinten, what is hiccup
8, 9, 10,
plus
11, 12, 13,
burp
14,
plus
15,
gag?
16, 17, 18 zombies.
Quinten,
What?
what is hiccup plus burp plus
What
gag? What is that? Answer that.
Pain.
Well, the server is lagging so much.
Oh, I thought you were about to say vomit, but alright.
It's just actual pain. I mean, it is pain.
Okay, now what is Tyler
So,
1
I'm
plus
not wrong.
Tyler 1?
And what is Tyler versus Tyler 1? Tyler 2.
I was gonna say that. God damn it,
Quinten,
Elliot.
what is 2 plus 2? Where I'm doing the stupid test because those hiccups.
It's like
make me
5.
dumb.
Uh,
5?
I did it right.
Did you
Yeah,
say
it's 5.
do the
Yeah, I
math in
said
your
5.
head again.
What about it?
2
Huh?
plus 2
It's the
plus
right
2.
answer.
No, 2 plus
Take 2.
and put it with another
Then
2
add 2.
Take so 2. Another 2.
equals baby 2.
4. 44? What
2
the
plus 2,
hell?
that's like 13.
Yeah, bro.
2
Are you
plus 2,
stupid,
isn't
everyone?
that like
2 plus 2 equals like.
1?
Isn't that like...
Wait, dude, doesn't 2 plus 2 equal like fetus 2 or something like that?
Oh yeah, baby 2.
Yeah, baby 2, baby 2.
Yo, finally, baby 2, what do you do?
Okay, now what is 4 minus. Wait, what is 8? Wait, what
Baby
is
2,
8?
where are you? What do you do?
Wait, what is 8 minus 4?
12.
Wait, I said minus, not plus.
Oh, 8 times...
No, 8 minus. No.
Oh, okay, I get it. 8
8.
divided by 2.
No, 8. Oh! 8 minus 8.
15?
74?
15.
What?
I'm dead.
Ow, ow.
Oh! Oh!
I'm gonna...
What are you gonna do?
Okay, what is 4 plus 4? This is the easiest question ever.
Like 32, 5.
Wait. 32, 5. Yo, what the hell happened to Quinten? Is he dead?
I think so.
Quinten, you move. Yo, what happened? What did Quinten say before he died?
Nothing, he just died.
I think he like threw up or something and he muted his microphone. He's just like, uh-oh, I'm about to throw up. Dude, I haven't thrown up in way too long. The last time I
I
threw up was like,
haven't thrown up in like a year.
it's been like 2 years since I've thrown up. See, the thing is that it's because I don't have a weak stomach and I also have a sick tolerance, just like my cousin, except my cousin literally.
Probably.
My
You don't have a weak stomach because you eat those like freaking chocolate bars for breakfast.
Yeah, and my cousin is like literally just can't get sick. My cousin can be in a room of like 6 people that have high fevers and my cousin won't get sick, which means my cousin is basically immune to coronavirus. So my cousin can just be walking around without a mask and being like, "Oh, hey guys, want to breathe into my mouth?" Would you like
Well, why would he? Does he like that? That's a weird.
No, but I have a feeling he'd be
Fetish.
like, "Hey guys, want to breathe into my face?" I don't know, man. Oh, you're back. Did you throw up?
Alright, I'm back.
Yo, what happened, bro? Did you die? Did you throw up?
I have no idea.
You good, fam?
No,
Do you still have hiccups?
Quinten, I need your help.
but if you need my help,
We
I'm
gotta go
helpful.
find a book, a single book.
You have full netherite. That is horrifying. I have iron armor.
Well, you thought. Well, you
No.
thought. Oh,
Wait, hold on. I haven't heard a hiccup from
I'm
Quinten.
gonna do it. I'm gonna do it to him. Okay, if you help. Okay, Quinten, how about this? I will get you a netherite chest plate and leggings if you get me like full enchants and enchantment table. Here's the stuff to get it. I just need a book. Get that, and then get a bunch of bookshelves, I'll get you netherite chest plate and leggings.
Okay, so I'm not the one who has to
No, you don't need
enchant
to
everything,
enchant everything.
right?
You should
I'm
just get the stuff that.
Quinten, is your hiccups gone? I can't hear them anymore.
Yeah, just get it together.
Uh,
Oh yeah, I can't hear Quinten.
No,
Hell yeah.
no. I mean, I can't hear his hiccups. Like he's not hiccuping.
Oh yeah, the hiccups.
Yeah.
Quinten, hiccup. I need views.
He
This is just gonna be a running thing during a video. We're gonna be playing
I was
Hypixel.
connected to the server.
got disconnected from the server.
Right as I was trying to make myself
Yeah,
hiccup,
sure,
I lost connection. That's amazing. You need views.
This is gonna be a running thing. We're gonna be playing.
No,
and I'm
I
gonna
got
do-
something better. I need to have a heart attack.
All right. Wait, turn on your camera
I
and
need
have a
a-
heart
hold on.
attack and just kind of just grab a big piece of food
I don't know
and
where my
choke
webcam
on
is.
it.
It's not on my camera. I do not have my webcam near me.
Oh, grab it.
I'm pretty sure viewers want to see a 12-year-old choke
Yeah,
on their
probably
food.
not.
Yeah.
Hey, Logan Paul, what's up? Logan, today we're gonna be making a 12-year-old innocent child choke on his food and suffocate.
Hell
on
yeah!
camera.
Let's get
Yeah.
into the video. Before we get
If you would enjoy my free gift
I
card
have
giveaway.
there's so many. Elliot, there's so.
I just heard, why are you yelling?
Wait, Quinn, was that your mom yelling at you?
Yeah.
Yo, she asked why you're yelling. She just yelled at you, bro. Why
Yeah,
is
she just yelled
yelling?
loud. You're yelling at you saying, why are you
Big
yelling?
brain.
It's like Liam.
Yeah.
Yo, Quentin, like hiccup really
Mine.
deep. Give us a really deep.
Oh yeah. Wait, what would Quart's husband's hiccup sound like?
It would sound like.
It would be like this. It would be like.
Elliot, where are you? I need to show you this. There's like.
I'm mining for
footprints.
netherite to get you your netherite chest plate and leggings.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna be gone for like an hour because I need a crap ton of sugarcane and I need to kill a crap ton of cows. So I'm
I do
sorry,
have a
server.
lot
I'm
of
gonna lag
leather.
you the hell out.
Hey guys, give an
I have,
outro
like,
to the
13.
video because I'm about to end it.
Do you guys want to see me choke on my own food? If
and
so,
make sure
like
to
the
give a
video.
shout out to Davinci.
No.
Davinci.
Yeah.
Davinci or Dab-
Yeah, also give a shout out
Yeah,
to
the big
Tyler
one.
one. He's
Dude,
been
chicken
staring at you
scratch.
guys for the
Oh yeah,
entire
Tyler
video.
one.
Alright, Da Vinci.